Ready to unlock the vast potential of online sales in South Africa? This is your ultimate guide to conquering the local e-commerce landscape with Shopify. Step 1. Setting up your Shopify store once you've signed up for Shopify. The first crucial step is to customize your store to reflect your brand. Head into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Online Store Then Themes. Here, you can choose from a variety of professional templates. Upload your logo and adjust colors and fonts to match your brand identity, making your store visually appealing and recognizable to South African customers. Step 2. Localizing your payment gateways. Now, let's talk payments to cater specifically to South African customers. You'll need to integrate popular local payment gateways. Go to Settings in your admin panel and select Payments. Shopify integrates seamlessly with services like PayFast and Peach Payments, which are widely used and trusted in South Africa, allowing customers to pay using their preferred local methods, including EFT and card payments. Step 3. Configuring shipping options. Shipping is a critical piece of the puzzle for e-commerce in South Africa. Under Settings, navigate to Shipping and Delivery. Here, you can set up various shipping zones to cover different regions within South Africa. Consider offering options like standard shipping, express delivery, and even collection points. Many South African businesses utilize local courier services, which can be integrated with Shopify for real-time shipping rates and easier order fulfillment. Step 4. Pricing and currency. Ensure your pricing is displayed in South African rands are within your Shopify admin. Under Settings and then Store Details, you can set your default currency. This builds trust with local shoppers and simplifies their purchasing experience, preventing confusion and cart abandonment. Step 5. Understanding regulations and marketing. Finally, familiarize yourself with South African consumer protection laws to ensure your business practices are compliant for marketing. Leverage social media platforms popular in South Africa and consider local influencer collaborations to reach your target audience effectively. By focusing on these localized strategies, you're well on your way to building a thriving e-commerce business with Shopify right here in South Africa.